I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to talk about antioxidants. Antioxidants are compounds that inhibit oxidation. Oxidation is a chemical reaction that can produce free radicals. Free radicals are unhealthy things like smoking cause oxidation, which leads to cell death. Antioxidants are man-made or natural substances that may prevent or delay some types of cell death or cell damage. Examples of antioxidants include vitamin C, vitamin E, selenium, carotenoids such as beta-carotene, lycopene, lutein and zeaxanthin. Benefits of antioxidant in skincare. It helps in anti-inflammation. It soothes your skin redness. Antioxidants in skincare such as alpha-lipoic acid and other found in pine bark and green tea extracts produce valuable anti-inflammatory results by increasing circulation and cell metabolism. Reducing inflammation promotes more even skin tone and helps keep acne and wrinkles at bay. Next, skin firming. Another top benefits of antioxidant in skincare is skin firming. Antioxidants may actually reverse the effects of aging by improving skin health and rejuvenating its appearance. Coenzyme Q10 is common skin firming antioxidant and is great for use in eye creams and products that are meant to tone the skin. Try moisturizers and other skin treatments with firming antioxidants. Next, the most important thing is scar treatment. Reducing the appearance of scar tissue is another important benefit of antioxidants in skincare. Scar tissue has different cell structure than that of healthy skin, making it rigid. Many types of antioxidants include those found in aloe vera and an onion extract called allium increase blood flow to scar tissue, minimizing the look of scar and blending it development of new skin. Antioxidants rich scar treatment products are available in a variety of forms including gels, patches and creams. What are the benefits of antioxidants? Boost cardiovascular health, improves cognitive health, helps in arthritis treatment, help prevent cancer, improve vision, enhance immunity, might promote liver health, can improve fertility, treat UTI, urinary tract infection, can help bodybuilders, can treat acne effectively, delay aging, strengthen hair. So, add green tea in your diet. Try to include more colored fruits and vegetables in your diet. So guys, that's all for this video. I hope this video might helpful for you all. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel. My name is SRINIVAS. Thank you so much for watching. Meet you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy, be fit.